Hey, what's up, guys? Brick Connoisseur here. You caught me in the middle of a build, actually. I'm building official Lego set 60224. It's the satellite service mission. Little small, simple build from Lego City, but it is a space theme part of Lego City. I love Lego City. I love Lego Cities. I don't have my own city yet, but I'm in hopes of making one, or creating one rather. I'll tell you what though, I love the space theme. Besides other themes, I'm kind of universal. I like a lot of themes. See, so far that's how it looks. Neat little spaceship. This set has 84 pieces in total. Very small set. Every theme of Lego usually has their smaller between 10 to 13 dollar sets or $20 sets that are fairly small. The only space set that I don't currently own is the rocket assembly transport. Other than that, I have all the space sets. Deep space rocket launch control. There's a couple other ones. Gotta love Lego. They always hold their value. Their attention to detail is just awesome in the things that they do and the way they're designers, the way they come up with things and create different builds. I'm a huge AFOL. For those of you who don't know what AFOL is, that's adult fan of Lego. Usually anyone that's, I would consider 25 and up an AFOL, maybe 30 and up. Hey, we're all kids at heart, right? And if you love what you're doing, there's nothing wrong with that, right? I've been playing with Lego toys since 1988. This thing's coming along nice. How the body structure is. And again, that's what I mean. Attention to detail for Lego. Down to minifigs, to minifig scale builds, to larger builds. Their attention to detail is always awesome. Could they always do something better or come up with something better? Of course they can. And the cool thing about Lego is every Lego set that you buy, no matter what set it is, comes with extra pieces. No matter what pieces they are or whatever, it's when you collect Lego and have tons of Lego, there's never enough Lego. Especially now with all the mock building and Bricklink. And this windscreen that they made is so awesome for this little $10 set. I'm not sure what other set may have this similar same windscreen or not. I'm sure Lego has used it in the past or at some point in another set. There's a piece that had a click on, and it's, there you go. Coming to life. Now there's 2 stickers. This $10 set actually had a small sticker sheet with it containing 4 stickers, and 2 of them are the satellite. This is the satellite because this is the satellite service mission. Neat little spaceman minifig with his little wrench so he can service the satellite. Put you back up there. So. A lot of sets will have printed pieces rather than sticker. However, there is a lot of decals involved in Lego as well. Triangle wedges here. Careful with these little pieces, sometimes they're kind of tedious. I think that's it for it. Okay. All right. So again, this was 60224 satellite service mission. Again, it's a very small build, $10. 84 pieces. Pretty cool spaceship. Again, that windscreen is just awesome for this particular build. The reason why this is here is because these actually open up, and if I'm not mistaken, the satellite folds up like this, and then it goes into the little back section there. Then you can close that off so it doesn't come out. It's secure. How neat is that? Again, this is Lego attention to detail. That's exactly what I was talking about earlier. And the minifig, the little spaceman, is awesome. The only one thing I don't, not that I don't fully not like it, but it could have been better. The helmet, I felt like they could have used like a regular style helmet with some sort of visor to see into the minifig's face at least. Alright, so that's all for this build. I'll talk to you guys later.